I really think the capstone course helped to bring the whole program together in terms of ability to apply a lot of things that we'd recently learned.
Up until this point, all of the courses and interaction you have, it's essentially almost all theory, right? You look at case studies, you see how it works, but you don't actually have to apply it in anything yet. And so for me, having to actually go through the capstone of, all right, here's our plan of attack and here's what's actually important, and having the interaction with the client and confirming or denying, like, are we on the right track? Is this what you're looking for? Really brought that piece to life more for me.
They are running a business. This isn't looking at a case study that happened 2 years ago or 10 years ago. This is looking at something that's important for them today.
At the very end, as we were doing the primary research and secondary research and listening to the client and going back and forth, even towards the end, after we put it all together, we were still pushed to try to synthesize the information because we were trying to show lots of data, a lot of good ideas, but in the end we were still learning about how to take all of that and synthesize it down to bite-sized pieces that the client could really understand and then do something with.